It really is. Totally incredible. XPRO killed it, not surprised, but let's get it down here to this fun area, my hangout area. Man, look at that. It's fucking cool. You get a bike like this, you can get your ass out of the city to a place where you can chill. You know, away from the peeps, just with the fucking birds that are not gonna judge you for much.